Welcome back, Nina Girls over there, Davey D's over here, and we send shakas and shout-outs to the one and only Paula Akana, the CEO and president of the Friends of Iolani Palace. Aloha, Paula.
Aloha.
I know you're just back from vacation.
Yes.
And getting back to work already.
Yes, getting right back to work and getting into the thick of this. This is our really busy time.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Because we have Kalakao's birthday, then we have Kapi Olani's birthday. And
We
then
actually
go to
saw the
Onipapa.
palace all decked out. She looks so beautiful.
She looks so beautiful.
And then, of course, this Sunday is āina Sunday.
It's āina Sunday.
Let's hit it. Who you got? You
Oh
always
my
bring the
gosh.
best entertainment. Who you got?
Because they want to be at the palace, and we're so happy when they say yes. And
Yes.
thanks to HTA, Hawaii Tourism Authority, for making this happen, and HNC for also helping us, Hawaiian Native Corporation. We have Halau Unuhia. That's with Kumuhula Ke Kaiōkalani Na'one. We have Waipuna.
Oh, love them.
And drum roll. We have Kamahao Haumea Throne.
Oh, yes, we love Kamahao, of course.
He's a sweetheart, and I remember him from when he was little and would be just singing along,
Yep.
and you know, he just and
So
he's
willing
all
to
grown up
come and be a
beautiful.
part of.
Yeah.
Yep.
He's really a great representation.
Yes.
of this
Yes.
generation.
Of the generation and of Kamehameha schools.
Kamehameha
That's
schools.
so
Yeah.
awesome.
So we're excited. That's a full day. We have Helumoa that'll be doing Flora Kupe'e,
Ooh.
and then our cultural practitioner is going to be Keoa Nelson, who is a 8th generation Lauhala master.
Yes.
And so think about Christmas, folks. Okay,
It's
it's
a big
first
hint.
come, first serve. It's only 20 people for his class, but he's going to teach you how to make earrings, Lauhala earrings. So maybe you make them, and then you go home and you make some more, and you make some more in time for Christmas.
That is so awesome.
Or you make it that day for somebody.
That's wonderful. Now I also
Wait,
understand.
so do we have to bring anything? Do we have to
No,
go ohi the
it's
lauhala?
completely, thanks to HTA, it's completely manuahi.
Oh, wow.
The only thing you pay for on that day is if you buy something from the food truck, or if you, please, come into our gift shop and buy something from the palace, which helps the Friends of Iolani Palace. But all of the music, all of the entertainment, all of the activities, and the tours for Kama'aina are all free.
Absolutely
That's our
free.
gift every month, just to thank our community for all the support over the years.
That is so awesome. Sis, I'm so sorry for interrupting you.
Oh no, it's okay, because I wanted to talk story about something else that when we come and we feel so grateful that you folks open up this space to us and you offer all of these wonderful manuahi, all of these free activities. There is a way for us to show our appreciation and at the same time help our Hawaii Food Bank. True?
Yes. We decided to make this a fundraiser of sorts for the Hawaii Food Bank. So we're asking people who come to bring non-perishable canned goods. That's
smart.
really important. Or bags of rice unopened. It's things that our community needs right now.
Yes.
And also we have a donation box in the palace that normally goes to us, but we at certain times will decide that the donations can go somewhere else. So 2 years ago, for that month or two, it went to Lahaina wildfire, to our victims. So this time, for this month and next month, the proceeds will go to the food bank.
Hawaii Food Bank.
Hawaii Food Bank.
That is so
yeah.
awesome. And I know you guys listed because we're talking about Kama'aina.
Yeah.
So like canned tuna, the canned chicken, those things like that would be...
Things they need.
Makes sense,
yeah. And the rice.
Yeah.
And we're asking not anything too big, because you got to carry it around.
Right.
Yeah.
We're going to try to have drop-offs in the gate, so as soon as people walk in, they can drop off.
Drop it right there.
Oh, thank
But
you.
we tried to think of what we could do that would match in with our li'i, and we always think of feeding the people. Our li'i were always very ma'a on that, and that was always something that was very strong in their beliefs. So.
Yes. He
Yep.
opu ali'i.
Yeah.
Gotta do that. Aina momona. Thank you so much, Paula.
Definitely. And the tours are free for Kama'aina, so...
So hurry up, come down.
Yeah.
It's
So
worth it, right?
It's 9 to 2 at Iolani Palace this weekend, this Sunday.
Sunday,
Okay.
November
Sunday.
9th. Woohoo! Thank you so much, Paula. We always love that you are
you.
here
Love
and
seeing
always,
you
sharing with us good, kind stuffs. Yeah.
Yes.
Now we got other good, kind stuffs coming up for you on last night's Dancing with the Stars. The first perfect score was dish out, and another star is cast out.